G'day, this is Sam Finlay here, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of the Overly software. I'm going to take you inside the dashboard and show you how to set up a campaign to add these pop-ups and overlays to any page or anybody else's page with this software. Okay, but I'm also going to give you 4 demonstrations of how I'm using it inside the Ignite Academy brand. I'm going to show you coupon scarcity, I'm going to show you lead generation, and I'm going to show you engagement through Facebook Messenger chat and how I'm applying these techniques using Overly. Okay, so I know your time is valuable, so let's jump right in and I'll show you how this all works. Okay, so here I am inside the Overly dashboard, and the first demonstration I want to show you is just a simple coupon code. Okay, so we're going to click here and go open a new window, and I have this applied to my PennyClicks Academy product. Okay, so if someone's coming to this sales page, scrolling down and they go to leave, I have an exit intent, as you can see, just pop down saying, hang on, want 20% off right now, use coupon welcome 20 off at checkout. Okay, so people that are about to leave, they have the incentive to buy using this coupon. Okay, so that's a very simple way to use this software and very simple to set up as well. So if you close this and go back to Overly, I'm going to recreate this to show you how the software works, and then I'm going to go into show you the demonstrations of more coupon scarcity and using Messenger. Okay, so if we go here and we want to create a new campaign, just click here on the left and we'll go into the setup steps. Okay, so we want to give this a title. So I'm going to call this coupon demo, and you need to put in the URL of the site that's going to be shown on. So for this demo, I will use a different product. So I'll jump over into Convertry, which I use to set up my sales pages, and I have the list of my products here. So I might use my product PinSpy as a demonstration here. So I'll jump into that product and I will copy this URL. Okay. And then jumping back into Overly, I'll put that in here as the site URL. Okay. And here you can choose the position of the overlay. So I want to go top left corner, and I want to make it 2000 width because I want to make it across the whole page. Overly height, I'll put just 50. Coming down here, we can choose the background color and the border. So the border size, I'll make it 3, and I'll make this a medium gray color. Alright, and I'm going to turn off the border besides on the bottom because I just want this as a strip across the top like the demo that I showed you. Okay, the background color we're going to change to something that's going to grab the eye, like a nice orangey red color like this. Okay, you can also put in background images. So we have a library in here of background images that you can choose in different categories. So you can put something like this in instead of just a flat color if you choose, right? Or you could also put in an image URL of your own image, and therefore you can have anything you want there. Okay, and now we're coming down to the content settings step, and this is where you put in anything you want. Okay, this is HTML active, so you can put anything you want in here and have it display in your overlay in your pop-up. So for me, I'm going to paste in that same copy from before. Hang on, want 20% off right now, use coupon welcome 20 off at checkout. Okay, and I'm going to center it, and I'm going to bold it, and I'm going to underline the hang on section and italicize it as well. Okay, and I'm going to also select it all and make it a little bit bigger, so I make it 20. Alright, and then we want to change it to white to stand out on that background, and that's it. We can come down here and we can choose an animation. So we've got a whole bunch of animations here you can choose from, different animations to catch the eye. I'm going to have just a standard slide in down. Okay, and here special display, I'm going to choose to display when the visitor tries to leave the page, so exit intent. And I'm going to pad this a little bit as well. I'm going to give it a 10 padding so it's just bumped down from the top of the page. Okay, coming down here you have your meta settings. So here you can set up a Facebook title, site name, description, and URL. So if somebody shares this link, or if you post this link onto Facebook and social media, then it will display exactly what you want in the post. Okay, so that's optional. You can leave it blank if you want. And here we have tracking settings. So if you want to include some tracking, if you want to include your Facebook pixel, you can do so here. And then finally down the bottom is the URL. Okay, so you want to put in a custom URL here that you can use, and this will be the link that people click to go through to your page and see the overlay. Alright, so I'll just put coupon demo 2 and I'll check that that's available, and it is, so now I can save my changes. Alright, and that's it. It's been set up now, and if we go here and we go to links and open a new window, this will open up the Pinspire product page, as you can see here, and if I go to exit, we have that notification saying, hang on, you want 20% off right now, use coupon code WELCOME20OFF at checkout. Okay, so as you can see, it's very simple to set up. There's lots of customizational options there, and it's really versatile having HTML activated there. You can put anything you want into that content section and have it pop up in your overlay. All right, so that is a demonstration of the setup and how simple it is to use. So now we can get into the cool ways to use this software. So this demo is a redirect auto coupon demo. And what I've done here is, if I open this up in a new window, we have this pop up and it says, hang on, want 20% off right now. And I have this button. And what this button does is it redirects to the cart and it auto applies a coupon to get them 20% off. So they don't have to take the coupon code and put it in themselves. It automatically applies. If they're coming down here and they click, hey, you want 20% off? And they click yes, they get redirected to the checkout page, and as you can see, they have that coupon code automatically applied here, which gets them $10 off. Okay, so that's a great way to improve your conversions. It's a great conversion optimization technique. So that's one cool way that I'm using it. And another one here, if I open up this in a new window, it will take me to the store, the Ignite Academy store. And here I'm using it for lead generation. So want 20% off everything, enter your email below. So you put your email in and they get added to your list, and it redirects directly to a different version of the store that I set up where 20% is applied. Okay, so if they go down here, it shows the normal price is crossed off and 20% has been applied. And then if they go buy now, again, I'm using that auto applied coupon so that it's applied there and they don't have to put it in manually, and they can just check out with the discount automatically applied. Okay, so that's another way that I'm using it. And then if I come up here, I'll show you the final demo, which is the messenger chat. This is a way to engage with people. Great way to show that you're available, that you're a real company. You can engage with them on Facebook Messenger and seal the deal on the sale. So if I open this one up here, open a new window, I've got it here. Have a question, chat with us in Facebook Messenger. Using a simple overlay here, I've got the image of opening Messenger, and if I click this, it takes them directly to their Facebook Messenger and it'll open up a conversation with my brand, okay? Now, if you don't know the link to your messenger, it's very simple. It's just m.me/ and then the name of your Facebook page, okay? So for me, it's m.me/Ignite Academy Training. So whatever your official Facebook page name is, put it in there, use that as your link, and then people, when they click it, they'll go through and they'll talk directly to your page or start a conversation directly with your page. So jumping back over into overlay here, that is how I'm using it. Using it for coupon scarcity, I'm using it for lead generation, and I'm using it for engagement through messenger chat, okay? And it's really limitless what you can do with this software. As I said, it's HTML activated, so you can put any code you want into that content block and you can set it up to show any overlay you want on any page. You know, it's really only limited by your creativity. Okay, so that's it for this video. Just trying to keep it short and sweet and show you exactly what's included so you can make an informed decision and pick up this software and apply these techniques to your business. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm Sam Finlay, and if you want to get instant access to Overly, click below and pick it up today, and I'll see you on the inside. Cheers.